A robot that instantly understands you. It sees what you see, handles objects it's never touched before, and needs no training. No coding, just pure intelligence. That's what Figure's new AI-powered humanoid Helix promises, and it might just be the biggest leap in robotics yet. A few weeks ago, the robotics world was shaken by unexpected news. Figure had ended its partnership with OpenAI. The company's founder, Brett Adcock, took to Twitter on February 4th to break the news. The reason? Figure had made a massive in-house breakthrough in fully integrated AI for robots. That breakthrough turned out to be Helix. Almost immediately after the announcement, another bombshell dropped. Figure was negotiating a funding round worth $1.5 billion, valuing the company at a staggering $39.5 billion. The excitement among investors was palpable, and there was a reason for that. They had seen what Helix could do. And when you witness a humanoid robot effortlessly put away your groceries, you start to realize this isn't just another tech experiment. This is the future knocking on your front door. At its core, Helix is built on three powerful capabilities: vision, language, and action. It sees, understands, and executes. Unlike traditional robots that need specialized training for every new task, Helix doesn't require hours of coding or demonstration data. It learns on the go, adapting to thousands of household items and tasks without missing a beat. Imagine asking two Helix robots to put away your groceries. They scan the room, recognize the refrigerator, and start unloading the bag. They pass items to each other seamlessly, placing an apple in the fruit bowl, storing milk in the fridge, and neatly arranging everything else in the right spot. No pre-programming, no hesitation, just intelligent decision-making in real time. For years, robotics companies have struggled with the unpredictability of home environments. Factories are easy, structured, predictable, and controlled. Homes? That's a different story. They're messy. Lighting changes. Objects get moved. A robot in a home needs to handle all of that. And that's exactly what Helix was built to do. At the heart of Helix lies a revolutionary dual-system architecture. System 2, S2, the brain. This is a pre-trained vision language model that interprets commands, analyzes the environment, and devises a plan. System 1, S1, the reflexes. This fast-acting motor control system executes the plan in real time at an astonishing 200 Hz. Think of S2 as a thoughtful planner, while S1 is the high-speed muscle memory. Together, they allow Helix to respond naturally to commands like, pick up that cup, or put the groceries in the fridge. Unlike previous robots that were either great at conversation but too slow to act, or fast but extremely limited in what they could do, Helix balances both worlds. The technology is sophisticated, but it doesn't require massive external computing power. Everything runs on the robot itself, making it commercially viable right out of the gate. To train Helix, Figure gathered a dataset of 500 hours of human-operated robotic actions. They then used AI-generated language labels to match these actions with natural speech. This means when you say, "Hand me that box," Helix doesn't just recognize the words. It understands the intent, the context, and the best way to execute the task. But it doesn't stop there. Helix introduces several groundbreaking features never before seen in robotics. Full upper body control. With 35 degrees of freedom, Helix's wrists, torso, head, and fingers all move in a way that mimics human dexterity. Whether it's grabbing a can from a shelf or twisting to see inside a cabinet, its movements are fluid and precise. Multi-robot collaboration. Two Helix robots can communicate and work together. In one demo, they effortlessly passed objects back and forth, responding to commands like, "Give the bag to the other robot," generalized object handling. Unlike older robots that needed to be trained on each new item, Helix can pick up unfamiliar objects with ease. Tell it to grab that weird plastic dinosaur, and it will figure out what you mean, even if it's never seen one before. A single neural network for everything. While most robots rely on multiple AI models for different tasks, Helix runs on just one, a 7 billion parameter vision language model, S2. And an 80 million parameter motor control model, S1. This means it doesn't need specialized tuning for each new task. It just works, ready for the real world. Helix isn't tied to an external server. It runs on embedded GPUs, meaning it operates independently without relying on cloud computing. This makes it faster, safer, and less prone to internet disruptions. Of course, this is still early-stage technology. The demo videos show a polished experience, but behind the scenes, there are undoubtedly countless failed attempts and refinements. We're not at the point where Helix can cook an entire meal or do your laundry, but Figure is positioning it as a major step toward that reality. The rise of Helix comes at a time when the competition in humanoid robotics is heating up. Meta is rumored to be developing its own AI-powered humanoids. Apptronic, another startup, recently secured $350 million in funding with backing from Google DeepMind. Even Apple is rumored to be exploring this space. Most humanoid robot companies start in warehouses and factories, focusing on predictable environments where they can move boxes and complete simple tasks. Figure, however, is betting on the home. That's a much harder challenge. People move furniture, spill drinks, leave clothes lying around. Every home is different. If Helix can master that, it could unlock the next era of general-purpose robotics. But Figure isn't abandoning industrial uses either. In fact, they see the home as the ultimate proving ground. If a robot can handle the chaos of a typical house, it can likely handle most industrial tasks as well. This shift represents a major change in how robots are developed. Instead of meticulously programming every single action, Helix learns through interaction, just like a person. It understands common sense, like where a fridge door opens or where dishes belong. S2 handles the planning, while S1 makes the fine adjustments, ensuring precision in every movement. Of course, there are concerns. How reliable is Helix? Can it be hacked? What happens if it makes a mistake? These are questions that will need answers as the technology evolves. For now, Figure is focused on making sure Helix can generalize quickly and perform real-world tasks safely and efficiently. One thing is certain, humanoid robots are no longer just science fiction. With Helix, we're witnessing the birth of a new era, where machines don't just follow commands, but truly understand them. It might take a few more years before these robots become a common sight in homes, but that future is closer than ever. Would you trust a robot like Helix in your home? Could you see yourself asking it to fetch groceries, load the dishwasher, or fold your clothes? If you found this video interesting, make sure to subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge tech and robotics. The future is here, and we're just getting started.